What if you could create a short film with just a prompt? No actors. No cameras. No studio. Just words, and AI does the rest. That's the promise of Sora. But is it real, or just a flashy demo? Welcome to AITHORITY, where we break down the most exciting, and sometimes overhyped, advances in AI. Today, we're spotlighting Sora, OpenAI's text-to-video model that promises to bring Hollywood-level visuals to your keyboard. It's one of the most jaw-dropping technologies released in 2025, and also one of the most debated. In this episode, we'll explore what Sora actually is, and how it works, what it's good at, and where it falls short, whether it's ready for filmmakers, marketers, or everyday creators, and what Sora tells us about the future of video. Let's get into it. What is Sora? Sora is OpenAI's first public text-to-video model, capable of generating realistic videos up to 1 minute long directly from a prompt. You type something like, a cinematic aerial shot of a mountain range at sunset, with clouds rolling over the peaks. And out comes a fully rendered, photorealistic video, camera movement included. Sora can also create shots with complex lighting and texture, simulate slow motion, zooms, and focus pulls that animate people, animals, vehicles, and landscapes. It's not just generating frames, it's creating camera-aware, physics-aware scenes. How does it work? Sora is built using diffusion modeling, similar to how image generators like DALL-E or Midjourney work, but on a much more complex level. It takes your text, encodes it into a latent space, then iteratively fills in frames of video guided by both motion and visual coherence. Think of it like painting a moving picture, frame by frame, guided by AI. Sora also builds in physics simulators and camera logic, so things move, fall, and react in semi-realistic ways. What Sora does well: here's where Sora shines. 1. Cinematic B-roll and establishing shots, landscapes, cityscapes, weather scenes. These often look like something from a drone or high-end camera. 2. Surreal visual storytelling, dream sequences, stylized animations, impossible transitions. Prompts like a glass fish swimming through a desert come to life in strange, mesmerizing ways. 3. Concept development. Sora is already being used by creatives to visualize scripts, storyboards, and set designs. It's like having a visual sketchpad for film ideas, with motion included. 4. Marketing and content snippets, short social media ads, visual product demos, eye-catching intros for reels or promos. With the right prompt, Sora can produce scroll-stopping video without any footage. Sora's limitations: as of 2025, as stunning as Sora is, it's not magic, and it's not perfect. Here's where it still struggles. 1. Human realism. Faces and hands can still morph or glitch, especially over long clips. Expressions sometimes feel uncanny or robotic. 2. Continuity and logic. A person's shirt might change color mid-shot, shadows might move inconsistently, objects might disappear or float unexpectedly. 3. Narrative structure. Sora is great at short clips, but it doesn't understand story arcs, emotion, or dialogue across scenes. You won't be using it for a 90-minute movie, yet. 4. Ethical concerns. Sora can generate realistic footage of fake events. Deepfake potential is high. There are strict limitations on prompts involving real people or sensitive topics. OpenAI is being cautious, but the text potential for misuse is very real. Is Sora for creators or studios? Right now, Sora is best suited for filmmakers and ad agencies exploring concept art, YouTubers and content creators who need visual flair, educators creating simulations or animations, but it's not yet a replacement for real cameras or actors. Instead, think of it as a powerful new tool in the creative stack, like DALL-E was for designers in 2023. And as it improves, it may change how we produce video content. Who can afford to create high-quality visuals? What roles are needed in future film crews? The future of AI video creation. Sora is part of a bigger trend in 2025. Runway Gen 3, Pika Labs, Google Veo all are racing toward text-to-video that looks as good as Pixar, without a studio. What happens when AI can generate scenes on command? Match your voiceover to perfect visual storytelling? Edit your video dynamically based on viewer feedback? That's the next frontier, and Sora is the most advanced step toward it. Should you try Sora? If you get access, currently invite only, here's what you can do with Sora today. Create stunning visuals for social or concept work. Experiment with abstract and surreal sequences. Build short explainer visuals without stock footage. Collaborate with creatives to refine prompts, but know that It's not ready for end-to-end storytelling, still need editing, audio, and context to bring a full project to life. That said, if you want a glimpse of the future of video creation, there's no better demo than Sora right now. Sora is proof that AI isn't just writing emails and reports anymore, it's coming for the lens. It's not about replacing filmmakers. It's about changing who gets to be one. And whether you're a creative, a marketer, or just curious about what's next, the ability to generate video from text is a game changer. Hit subscribe to AITHORITY for breakdowns of the most exciting new AI tools and how they're being used in the real world. Drop a comment. If you had access to Sora today, what's the first scene you'd create? And next week, we explore how free and open source AI is quietly changing the game, and why the best AI tools might soon cost nothing at all.